Hello, so in this video I'm going to be making okra with ogbono. So I have some unique ingredients here for making okra with ogbono. I have here assorted meat. So here in this bowl is a combination of different meats. I have here cow skin, goat meat, beef and stockfish, and I also have here chopped okra, blended ogbono. So I have to dissolve ogbono with palm oil. I also have here some shredded catfish. I have here some blended pepper with crayfish, some locust beans, some chopped onions, some seasoning cubes, and some leaves which I'm going to use to garnish the soup. So here I have here Uziza leaves with bitter leaves. It's a personal choice. I had to combine two leaves for this soup to get some unique flavor from each of the leaves. So you can choose to use pumpkin leaf or just use Uziza leaf if you want. So you can decide to prepare ogbono soup without adding okra, and at the same time you can decide to prepare okra without adding ogbono. Alright, so I made it possible for us to finish this soup without waste of time by keeping all the ingredients in place. So let's get started. You know, some people prefer to prepare the ogbono by frying it, but I think this is the method I prefer. So to make this soup, bring a cup of water on heat, then add some meat broth into it if you have any. This is a very rich meat broth. Once you've done that, bring the water to a boil. So once you've added the meat broth, bring the dissolved ogbono into it. You know, I had to dissolve ogbono with palm oil. You know, after blending ogbono, it usually turns dry, so I had to use palm oil to dissolve it a little bit. So after adding the dissolved ogbono into the content, if you feel the palm oil is not gonna be enough, you can add a little, then cover the lid and bring the content to a boil. You will need to stir this soup as it cooks so that the ogbono will dissolve in the water. You know, the fish wasn't cooked together with the meat, so I'm going to be adding it right away. Also adding in some onions, locust beans, crayfish and pepper, and some crushed stock cubes. After adding all this, you can stir the soup and give it time to cook properly. Because I've left the soup to cook for about 10 minutes, so I can now add the chopped okra into it. So after adding the okra, I'm going to give the soup a good stir. Then return the cooked meat into it as well. You can add the cooked meat before the okra, it's still okay. So because I don't want to overcook the okra, I'll just leave it to cook for 5 minutes, then come back to it, stir properly, then test for salt. And now you can add the leaves into it. I told you I was going to be using Uziza with bitter leaves. So after adding in the leaves, you can now stir up your soup. Then leave this to cook for just a minute or so. Then okra with ogbono soup is ready. Once it's 1 minute, you can now serve your soup. So this is it, guys. I love the consistency of my ogbono soup, don't you? It's not so thick and it's not watery at the same time. So this was how to combine okra with ogbono to make draw soup. So you can serve this soup with semolina or with pounded yam. I'm going to be serving mine with semolina. I hope you loved my video. Please remember to subscribe to this channel, share this video, comment and like this video as well. See you next time. Bye.